I feel like every time I'm on YouTube, I see somebody showing me how to make money using ChatGPT.
In this video,
make loads of money.
to make money online,
hundreds of dollars a day.
Using ChatGPT.
how to use ChatGPT.
ChatGPT.
$997, $6,902.86, or even $29,540. And I'm like, yo, I make ChatGPT videos every day and I'm spending way more than I'm making right now. So I finally decided to just sit down and watch 8 of the How to Make Money with ChatGPT videos, and I'm bringing you along with me. This is Milanowski, and he got 2 million people to watch this video. The 7 best AI businesses to start with ChatGPT. So using tools like ChatGPT to quickly write really high quality marketing material. Perplexity AI, which is a service that summarizes articles. Yeah, time is money, I guess. Sitekick AI, using AI to build different landing pages. I mean, customized landing pages for each product, that one makes sense to me. Rapid A/B testing, AI could be great at that. An SEO agency where you have ChatGPT write a bunch of articles that rank for somebody. I will say ChatGPT is amazing at sneaking keywords into a long paragraph. An AI thumbnail creator service? I think sometimes you still need like somebody to help guide that process. We're just not there yet. Newsletters, letting AI write high quality content for newsletters. I should do that. In Max Mahar's video, 7 bizarre ways to make $900 with MidJourney. He highlights 3 different ways to use text-to-image generators. First, he talks about interior design, finding the right client, taking a photo of their empty room, and then just generating all sorts of ways that it could look. Rapid prototype, get him excited about the outcome, and then hand it off to an interior designer, take your fee in the middle. I see the value there, although lead generation still sounds hard. A menu makeover, so finding local restaurants that have really terrible photos of their food, using MidJourney to punch those things up, make them delicious. I see the value, but like how much can you squeeze them for if they don't have money for a good photograph of their food? And like reaching out to the manager and all that stuff, but there's a value prop if you've got the right clients. And my favorite of his 3 ideas was seasonal variation. His examples were still kind of in the restaurant mindset, but larger businesses in your city like a hotel, a gym, a real estate company, constantly upgrading the graphics on their website for like Christmas and Halloween, I think that's actually a pretty cool idea, and it's a recurring income, seasonal. Joshua Mayo made a video that was called 6 digital products that you can sell with AI. He starts with clipart and shows an Etsy website that makes over $3 million doing this. By the way, that's exactly how this kind of custom t-shirt company works. Mislabeled computer vision system on a dog, I should have thought about it. Virtual backgrounds, he discusses a whole new market that's the background in a Zoom video. For the record, this is a real background. Digital paper, he explains what they are, but it's like wrapping paper patterns, you know, stuff like that. Product mock-ups like frames or mugs, and coloring books or coloring pages for adults and children. Genius. I'm into it, Josh Mayo rocks. The video that's titled Make $1,000 with ChatGPT by Ryan Hildreth is all about passive income. So the idea is that you prompt ChatGPT about what kind of healthy habits do people want in their life and they want to track. And his results were gratitude, exercise, mindfulness, reading, and giving in that order. And then he jumps over to some design software called Canva. He makes a template which you can download and resell, which he suggests can go for about $15 to $30 on Etsy. Now I wish the video would have been a little bit longer, maybe showed the Etsy store being set up and even some specific analytics about how the traffic actually was driven and how many sales he got. But he definitely got me in the mindset about what kind of digital product can you resell like that. In her video called Make Printables That Sell with AI, $15,507 per month, Sandra D offers a comprehensive guide on how to leverage AI tools. In the video, she uses 4 different AI tools: Kittle, Creative Fabrica, Night Cafe, and MidJourney. They can help you create a variety of printables, including things like landscape wall art and city artwork, adult coloring pages and planners. And Sandra not only demonstrates how to use these tools, but she also shares some useful insights from some of the other Etsy shops that are selling similar products. I also like that she looked into how to validate your product idea by doing research and introduced me to some new AI tools that I hadn't ever heard of before. In the video titled How to Make Money Online with the ChatGPT AI Bot, $100 per day, Matt Phelps shows 3 ways to make money with ChatGPT. Now the first business model includes Amazon affiliate marketing and display advertising. So creating a website about an affiliate product using ChatGPT to generate all the content for the website. Oh my gosh, can gum improve my jawline? The second business is using ChatGPT to identify what's really a hot seller on Amazon and eBay. In the video, the creator figures out what's hot selling and then sources them from Alibaba and some of the Chinese companies, brings them over, then resells them on eBay. That's arbitrage money, that's smart money. So he uses ChatGPT to generate an entire book about a relevant topic. In this case, it's gut health, and then he goes on to TikTok and gives away that book in exchange for an email. And then he uses that email list to promote a whole bunch of different products. Cha-ching! In the YouTube video, Can AutoGPT Really Build a Website?, which is all about actual real-world testing of AutoGPT, Maya Akim sets a challenge challenge for it to build a real website and documents how it all goes. So her goal is to have it build a website about cats with some specific requirements, including the use of React components and have it generate images. So she runs the autonomous agent in her web browser and finally provides her own OpenAI key, lets it rip. However, the results were not as expected. The AutoGPT agent spent a crazy amount of time Googling for CAD blocks, and the JavaScript files it saved, well, just wait till she opens them up. Nonsensical doesn't even do it justice. Now, the code for the website was terrible, and the final reveal was hilarious. So if you're wondering how much money you can make having AutoGPT create websites for you, you'll have to use another tool for now. AutoGPT's not there yet. Let's break down the YouTube video 4 Genius Ways to Make Money with ChatGPT by Liam James K. He starts by talking about creating a money-making browser extension, and this extension converts recipes non-vegan to vegan on the fly. Not sure how big the market is, but it's a cool idea. I guess saves you some time. Next, he talked about creating an HTML web tool, like a website that has a specific function like a calculator and then also throws up an ad. Because I use a website that's dedicated only for repeating YouTube videos and it shows me ads, so, you know, I use something like that. Third is creating a trading bot indicator. So using ChatGPT to talk to those like day trading, crypto people, and real-time summaries, notifications, makes sense to me. And finally, writing a book. He suggests use ChatGPT to make a children's book and then use something like MidJourney to make the images. And pro tip, I just found a new YouTuber today named the Nerdy Novelist, who's documenting the struggles, the tips, the tricks to actually making full books using ChatGPT. So check them both out. So just in case you put too much money in your side hustle, I'm going to end with a story about debt collection. So don't invest too much into your side hustle before you make money, because AI is transforming the world of debt collection also. So imagine getting a call from a debt collector, but now imagine that that isn't a human voice. It's actually an artificial intelligence system. Well, that future is already here. Debt collection companies are rolling out AI chatbots like crazy. And as of today, some of these chatbots are now making millions of calls every day. And that might sound efficient, like a good, clean business cutting the margins down, but that also means your chance of speaking with a real person to understand your specific situation is getting less and less and less. So with debts at an all-time high and more people missing payments, obviously side hustles and extra income is a great way to try to protect yourself. So hopefully, like me, you learned that there's not really an easy way to just make money with ChatGPT, but it does open up the world to a whole bunch of new options, a new way of thinking, and potentially a new side income. Smash that subscribe button.